Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TT and I'm back with another video for you guys. So today I will be showing you guys how I style this wig. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Okay guys, so just a little information on this wig. I've had this wig for about over a year maybe so, and this is I don't know where I ordered it off of. I ordered it off a website, but the name of this wig is called Nisha. Now when I first got this wig, y'all, when I tell y'all, it was so much hair. Like, I don't know how many times I have cut this wig. Like, my mom had to cut it like maybe 4 times, maybe more than that, I don't know. Just know that she had to cut this wig, hunty, because this hair was like past my boobs, like, yes, almost touching my butt. It was so much hair, and I just can't, I can't do it. It was getting hot, so I trimmed it a couple times, and yeah, today I'm just gonna straighten it out because this wig, the only thing about it that I really love about this wig is that it looks natural when you have it on. So yeah, I washed it a couple times and I was trying to save it, you guys. I don't know, because you know, some wigs, they just don't last and you just have to throw them away. But this wig is probably the most natural wig that I have, because the rest of them are colored wigs. So yeah, I'm just gonna get straight to it and straighten this wig so we can see how it turns out. Hopefully it turns out okay, because yeah, I don't know how much I paid for it, but yeah, like I said, I had it for a while and it's so much, it's so thick, so it was so much hair when you first get it, and you're probably gonna have to cut it unless you're just used to like long thick hair. I mean, I have natural long thick hair, but when I tell y'all this wig has so much hair, it was so much hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna straighten it and see how it looks. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so I have a comb here and I have my flat iron, and this is the flat iron that I'm going to be using. This is by Remington. So let me get the box for you guys. This is the box that I'll be using. As you guys can see, it's already hot, but yeah, this is the brand. Y'all, don't worry, I haven't did my edges just yet, so we're gonna start anyway. With this wig, I have straightened this wig before. Thing is, it takes so long because you have to go really small sections and just really you know, knock out the kinks. So we're gonna see. And like I said, this one, the only thing about this flat iron, you can't control the temperature. So yeah, just know it gets hot. So I'm just gonna take it through there a couple times. As y'all can see, look at that. Like, yes. So that's me going through it about 3 times, right? And yeah, so far. So I'm just gonna continue to try to do section by section. You guys can kind of see where I'm going from there. So I'm just gonna finish doing this little section here and keep going. Okay, you guys, so I'm back. So I straightened one side, and this is the side that I have straightened, as you guys can kind of see. So yeah, like I said, I love the fact that when you straighten this, it looks so natural. And this is the side that I haven't did. And yeah. Now I don't know if it really makes a big difference. The only difference I can say are the ends of his hair. Like, I know some parts when I cut it and I have washed it, you have to detangle and everything. But like I said, once it's straight, you know, you can kind of see a big difference. It's not as tangled. That's about the only thing I can tell. Like, I can comb through this and it's straight versus this side. As you guys can see, I'm got to do this multiple times, and this side can just go bam. So yeah, I'm gonna do this other side and then I will show you guys what it looks like straight all together. Alright you guys, so I finally completed straightening the wig, and like I said, this is what it looks like straightened. Yeah, I kind of like it. Also, my mom did do some layering in this wig, so yeah. But this is the other side. Like I said, this wig is so natural looking. Like, sis, what wig? You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, can't get no better than this. Like, this is, I love this wig. Like, now I'm just gonna like do my edges and show you guys the completed look. Alright you guys, so I did my edges as you can see, and this is the finished look.